Hey guys, I love my Model 3 just like you do, but there is an annoying problem on my Model 3 touchscreen. Let's go inside, I'll show you what the problem is and how easy it is to fix it. 1. To cut down on glare. Anytime you drive in the sun, you probably notice there is quite a bit of glare coming off of your stock touchscreen, and that's what we wanted to cut down on. Number 2, to reduce fingerprints. I've been driving around just for a couple days, and look at all these fingerprints on my touchscreen. These are annoying. You probably did not notice it, but I challenge you to park your car, put it in clean mode, and see how many fingerprints you have on your touchscreen. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install world's best screen protector in your Model 3. When you buy the screen protector, it comes in this beautiful packaging. It comes with everything that you need to install. We custom made every single thing so you could have easy, simple installation. Go to Controls, Display, Screen Clean Mode. Step 1, we're going to prepare the touchscreen. Using the microfiber cloth, just wipe your screen clean. Now, that looks pretty clean. Now, if you have hard stains on it, feel free to use wet wipes, but avoid using wet wipes if possible. You might see some dust particles. Don't worry about it. We're gonna get rid of them in the next step. We give you these custom guide stickers and use 5 of them and put them on the back of your touchscreen. Next, we're gonna get the tempered glass screen protector, put it on your stock touchscreen. Make sure the red peel off tab is in the bottom right corner and it's facing away from you. Like this. Here is a pro tip. Use your right hand thumb and index finger to wedge the screen protector so it doesn't slip away. Like that. And now I'm gonna align it to make sure it fits well. At this point, I'm gonna secure it with the middle guide sticker and let go and do a visual inspection to make sure it all looks good. This side looks a little high. I'm gonna nudge it down. That looks good. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and secure the screen protector with all 4 guide stickers. Here is a pro tip. Try holding the ends like this and make a ball so it's easy to grab all the dust particles. That looks good. I'm ready to peel the sticker. Step 4, just peel this protective film like that while holding the screen protector in your left hand. Make sure there are no big dust particles, and now we're gonna gently let go. Here's a pro tip. Try to hold the end of the screen protector with one hand and don't let it go yet. Watch the self-adhesive glue work its way from top to down. You see the wave-like glue just working its way through it. Voila. At this point, our installation is done. Now we're gonna peel off the stickers. Just in case if you see bubbles during your installation, feel free to lift the screen protector gently so the air escapes and then let go. Even if that doesn't solve, then we always give you squeezy to push the bubble out. That's it. Installation is done. Now we're gonna turn the screen back on and check to see it is responsive. Press and hold for 3 seconds. That's it. The screen is back on. We're gonna see how responsive this is. That's it. It's super responsive. No issues whatsoever. Congratulations! You just installed a screen protector and took care of your touchscreen.